Finding the best gaming gifts for 2025 can feel like an epic boss battle, but don't worry, we've got the ultimate cheat code. In this video, we're diving deep into over 50 incredible gamer gift ideas, ensuring you find that perfect present for any gaming enthusiast. Forget the endless searching. We've done the hard work, testing and playing through countless options to bring you only the absolute best. You might be surprised by some of the hidden gems we uncovered, from budget-friendly accessories to jaw-dropping high-end tech. Don't miss out. Check the description below for direct links to grab these amazing deals right now. We reveal why some popular picks might not be worth it, and which obscure finds are actually game changers for 2025. Number 1. The newest AAA video game releases and must-have expansions, like the highly anticipated Grand Theft Auto 6, essential for any serious player's library. Number 2. Cutting-edge gaming consoles, including potential next-gen releases like the rumored PlayStation 5 Pro, unlocking immersive new worlds. Number 3. Top-tier gaming laptops, exemplified by powerhouses such as the latest Alienware M18R2 model, offering desktop-level performance on the go. Number 4. Essential high-performance peripherals, such as an elite wireless gaming headset like the ASTRO A50X, giving players an unfair advantage. Number 5. Indispensable gaming subscription services, like Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, unlocking vast game libraries and crucial online play. This comprehensive guide covers everything from stocking stuffers under $100 to luxury items over $200, ensuring there's something for every budget. Get ready to level up your gift-giving skills and truly impress the gamer in your life with a present they'll never forget. Discover the surprising trends and must-have items that are dominating the gaming world this year.